Zimbabwe's economy faces mounting challenges as citizens urge action. By staff reporter, Zim Insight News. Harare, Zimbabwe's economy is showing signs of severe strain, with residents and experts alike warning that urgent reforms are needed to prevent a deeper crisis. Rising inflation, widespread unemployment, and persistent shortages of basic goods are leaving many families struggling to make ends meet. Across the country, economic pressures are visible in closed businesses, scarce commodities, and households forced to make difficult choices, often between putting food on the table or paying school fees. The local currency continues to depreciate against major foreign currencies, eroding savings and reducing purchasing power for ordinary citizens. For the youth, the outlook is particularly troubling. Once full of optimism, many now face a future clouded by uncertainty and limited opportunity. Pensioners, too, are among the hardest hit, as their retirement savings lose value in real terms. Small business owners complain of unpredictable policies, high operating costs, and limited access to affordable capital, all of which make growth nearly impossible. While the government has made periodic pledges to stabilize the economy, critics say the pace of change has been too slow. Economists point to the need for consistent, investor-friendly policies, stronger anti-corruption measures, and increased investment in sectors such as education, healthcare, and infrastructure. Civic groups and concerned citizens are calling for transparency, accountability, and a people-centered approach to economic management. The livelihoods of millions depend on bold and decisive reforms, said one local economic analyst. This is about more than numbers. It's about restoring dignity and opportunity. The situation has sparked renewed public debate, with advocacy groups urging Zimbabweans to share their experiences, voice their concerns, and hold leaders to account. As the challenges deepen, the pressure is mounting on policymakers to act before the economic difficulties become irreversible.